Good morning. Just sent off my oldest two with Bib to school. And I'm actually dressed, but I'm cold, so I put my pajama back over. I've got to get up the little kids. I'm gonna go in the bathroom because once again I was not able to wake up before the kids. Well, I get up before the kids, but like at 5. I've been wanting to get up at 5, but that has not happened because I'm just lacking sleep and I can't seem to wake up willingly. Like yesterday I woke up at 4 something and then I couldn't go back to sleep, but I wanted to go back to sleep. But honestly, I should have just got up and got ready, but I didn't. I also just killed a spider. I think I killed it, I don't know, with my hands because I thought it was a mosquito and it wasn't, and I couldn't find it. So now I'm just worried it's just like crawling on me. I washed my hair last night. It doesn't look that bad. If I leave it like this, this kind of looks like how I had my hair. I don't even know what the hell. That's so funny. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I need to figure things out though, because I need to get these pictures taken with me and the baby. I don't want to do it on our birthdays because it's just gonna be it's gonna be too much. So I have 3 days to get it all figured out, and I was just thinking like, oh wait, should I go somewhere and have my daughter take the pictures of us? But like, if I don't have balloons, then the pictures are gonna seem kind of like, what are these for? You know? They're not gonna scream birthday pictures if I don't have balloons. And honestly, I don't feel like paying an arm and a leg to get balloons inflated. I just think it's so stupid. Like, why does it cost money for helium? Or how come regular air doesn't make the damn balloon float? So annoyed. But yeah, let me go to the bathroom before I get the kids up. And yeah, I also have to do something with my nails because I took my nails off last night after I washed my hair because then they started lifting. I've had them on since before Christmas, so time for a new set anyway. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart today, just Walmart, just so I can see if they have any other nails. I have the nails that I wear all the time, the same ones that I had on. I already have them, but I don't know. Yeah, I gotta figure things out. So, all right, just got back from being out. I didn't find any nails at Walmart, so I'm just gonna use what I have already. I did pick some of this up. This is the Dew braid and edge gel I need for Elena's hair. Picked up some more toothpaste. Got a new beauty blender. I also picked up this mascara. I have it in the waterproof version, but I want to see if it's just as good, the regular. And I found these pencils for $1. So I got those because we always need pencils and they're sharpened. And then from Aldi, I have literally gone to Aldi every single day this week. And today's now Thursday. Ridiculous. But sandwich bags, we ran out. Picked up some croutons, salad dressing, 2 loaves of bread, baby arugula, and 2 of the romaine hearts because me and Babe have been on a salad kick lately. So that's what this stuff is for. Baby's watching Moana. I'm gonna put this away real quick. So these are the only croutons that I found that did not say contains a bioengineered food ingredient. So that's good. I am now in my girls' room. And so I need to, hold on. I need to put this away. This is some new stuff that Ariana got the baby. These are pajamas and these are just tops. This stuff I need to take to Once Upon a Child. There's some other stuff too. So I'm gonna work on this stuff. I cleaned the girls' room, but they do not know how to keep their room clean, like at all, ever. So, yeah, it's okay for the most part. I just see some things here and there. I need to change the baby's sheet. That's why her mattress is like that. So let me work on this. And yeah. That stuff is gonna stay there for now, just because I don't have anywhere to put it and I'm not going to Once Upon a Child. Plus I have to look up because they were like, they sent something about changing their times that you can sell. I don't know, so I need to look that up. There's another bag of clothes that I need to fold. Also, I need some decoration advice. I know I should get a curtain from here for here, but what should I put on the wall here and over here? There's literally no decorations whatsoever. Looks like we're gonna move out soon. This is the other basket that I have to fold and put away. Here, go put this with your baby. just finished putting all the laundry and stuff away. Yes. I was gonna start to edit a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna bake some cookies just because I don't know why. Well, because I need chocolate. I started my period like 2 days ago and I'm just craving chocolate and all the sweets. I had a Boston cream donut from Dunkin' Donuts after we left Walmart. It was so good. So I just know that I'm just craving all the sweets right now. So I'm pretty sure I'm about to do that in like the next 5 minutes because it's 11 now. And that was like the second thing that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I also wanted to play in makeup. So I don't know. But I also need to figure out what I'm gonna do to this hair because I cannot be walking around like this. So there's also that. That's it. So we are back on the road. I swear I live in the car. I forgot to get baking soda earlier and I can't make the cookies without baking soda. So I'm out. I left the baby home with Ariana so I can quickly go to the grocery store and get some damn baking soda. Okay. Got the baking soda. I had to get a little one because Publix prices is ridiculous. All right, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna make the baby something to eat because it's now 12. And I'm gonna go ahead and start baking. Fuck, I forgot to take out another box of butter. Because I think I'm gonna do, how can I? I think I'm gonna do sugar cookies and chocolate chip because I made sugar cookies for the first time on Christmas. The lighting. Yeah, so I made sugar cookies the first time on Christmas and the kids loved them. They thought they were so good. I mean, they were so good. They didn't think they were so good. The cookies were good. They were freaking delicious. So I'm gonna make those again. And some chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so here is my chocolate chip cookies dough. I just lined the pan with the parchment paper. I'm about to transfer them over. I followed a recipe on TikTok, which is why I didn't like show you guys what I was doing. I have used this recipe before, but yeah, I just didn't feel the need to show you all that. But I am, let's go ahead and scoop this and put it on the sheet. Should be fine. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and take it out and then let it rest for 5 minutes and then repeat. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Okay. Yes, my daughter's birthday decorations and stuff is still up because I usually wait until they start falling down to take everything down, but nothing has fallen down. Well, actually, the one piece of the one is untaped, so it should be falling down soon. Anyway, not doing the sugar cookies right now. I'm probably gonna have to wait until after the kids come back because the butter is not like room temperature. I just took it out not too long ago, so I'm gonna wait on those. What I am gonna do is blueberry muffins. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do all of the, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the big muffins just because I was supposed to use 2 sticks of butter, but I've been making it with just 1, so I just feel like I can continue making it with just the 1 stick of butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then later on today I will do the sugar cookies. I had to also put this hat back on because, child, my hair, I look crazy. Y'all know that I was supposed to not be on the internet looking crazy, but here we are, 2026, and doing the same shit. So there's that. So these are gonna go in for about 20 to 25 minutes. I don't know, just gotta watch them. And I'm gonna leave them on 350 too. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Second timer, 20 minutes, starting now.
I see that. Edges are nice and crunchy. Yes. No more cookies. Go get your cookie from over there. You already had bite. Listen. I couldn't hear that, but the crunch is there. And the chewiness on the inside. It's the best.
Oh my God.
That's it. No more. Alright, so I think I'm gonna wash this and then get started on the sugar cookies. I'm gonna put the baby down first because it's nap time. Okay, change of plans. I just put the baby down, but I'm not going to start the sugar cookies now regardless because it's already after 2 and I have to go get the kids. So I don't want to be rushing, but muffins are done. These are also done. Cookie sheet. These better look at the muffins. Trust me when I tell you, these are freaking delicious. I want to try making the double chocolate chip ones next because I've definitely mastered this. Although the timing be a little off sometimes, but these are good. And then this is the last batch of cookies, of the chocolate chip cookies. So these just have to rest a while. This is mine. Because I don't want the kids fighting over this, but yeah, that's good. So I'm just going to, where's the pan? I'm gonna put the rest of the muffins in the pan. This can go over here. There we go. I'll use that same thing later. Cookies are gonna go in here. And then I'm just going to in the oven for about, I'm gonna put 15 minutes this time. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so I'm like, let me sit down for a second. Got my cookie. It's really good. Packaged. I can't open it. I'm glad I made this my cookie because there's not a lot of chocolate chips in it. But it's really good. Yep. It's from Ulta. The High Glam Foundation. This is probably the shade that's gonna work for me the best. Looks like this in the bottle. This is a shade Y13. Yeah, that's that. It is 9:20 and I just got the baby down. Well, put her in her crib. She's not sleeping, but she pretty much held me hostage on the couch. She wanted me to sit with her. She did not want to go to sleep. I wasn't trying to put her to sleep. I was trying to put her down, like, to go to sleep. She was not trying to have it. So I didn't make the cookies, which now means that I have to do it tomorrow, which I didn't want to do because I already had everything dirty right now. Like, I'm gonna clean it and then reuse it. But, yeah, that's not gonna happen. So, because I'm shot. I'm going to go ahead and go to bed. Gonna go wash my face, wash my body, and curl up in this bed and go to sleep. Tomorrow is Friday, so thankfully it's the weekend. So, and I don't have anything. Oh my goodness, I still have to take the pictures of me and the baby. Oh, and I have to do something to my hair. And I gotta do my nails. Oh my God. I will not be recording tomorrow, except for when I do the cookies, which I probably won't get around to it until, well, if I get up at 6 and take the butter out, that should be room temperature by like 10. I don't know. I'm gonna try and get up at 6, take the butter out so that it's room temperature. If anything, I'll just like melt it a little bit in the oven. I don't know why I'm taking my earrings off because I hate not having my earrings on while I am still filming. So yeah. Yeah, I got a lot of shit to do, so gotta figure things out.